really tough. Hey, you.
Oops. Oh, that was my fault.
Now you encourage him to bark more. Now
I didn't mean to kick it. I was just getting out of his way.
Yeah, but he did it a different way. Yeah, there we go. Now my neighbor taught him the bad habit of barking, and I'll throw the ball for you. Yeah, I know. You know
Mine
better.
does that for toys.
You know better. I'm not going to do it. No.